Hi, this is Mel McGee, founder and CEO of We Can Code It, and I'm going to show you how you can easily apply for an IMAP grant if you're an Ohioan in order to get a ton of free tech training with We Can Code It. So first of all, go to wecancodeit.org, then go to Programs and choose All Courses. That will take you to this technology training page. When you're here, go ahead and find program type and click IMAP. This will filter all of the IMAP courses for you. And you'll see we have a lot here. So many amazing courses. All of these are very important courses, including designing and building AI projects. This is great for everyone, not just developers, but for product owners, project managers, etc. If you're working on a team that's building AI projects, you should look at this course. We also have beginners Python. Python is such an amazing language. If you're interested in AI, data science, even cybersecurity and programming, this is the course to take. It will help you get started learning the underpinnings of coding, programming, etc., which will help you on your journey to AI engineering, for example. Speaking of AI, we have ChatGPT, an intro to using AI. This will teach you prompt engineering techniques. What in the world is that? It is the way you need to communicate with large language models like ChatGPT. So it's a fantastic course for everyone. I implore you, take this course. We have Intro to Programming, which is excellent. Beginning Modern C# and .NET Development. This is for programmers. If you're a programmer and want to learn C#, take it. Increase your skill set. We also have SQL. SQL, Structured Query Language, is excellent for data analysis and understanding it. Cybersecurity Foundations, very excellent class if you're interested in cybersecurity or just are curious about how to be safe, right, in a world filled with risk and hackers. And then we have Data Analysis Fundamentals using Excel. So if you want to learn how to use Excel, and how to query Excel and make all sorts of graphs and the like, this will be the course for you. All right, let's choose a course out of this. Let's choose ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how to apply for IMAP. You can go through this, take a look about what about the course. You can look at the syllabus here, and of course, why you should choose We Can Code It. We are best of class training. We have been awarded best boot camp year after year after year in the top 5% of academies like ours. So that's, we're very proud of that. All right. If you wanted to take this without IMAP, you could right here. However, if you're an Ohioan, especially if you are underemployed or unemployed, go ahead and we implore you to take this course, all right, through the IMAP grant. Very simple. You just fill out this application, click it, choose which IMAP courses you're interested in. It's not just whichever ones. If you just at least choose one. If you don't see yours on here, don't worry. It doesn't mean you won't be able to take it. Fill out your information and submit. And once you submit, you will get this. You will then get a text. If you are approved, you'll get a coupon code that should be used on our website during checkout, right? It will be emailed and texted to you. So keep an eye, especially on your text. You should get a text that says either sorry, you're not eligible, or congratulations. And once again, you need to be an Ohioan who is a junior or senior in high school or an adult, and it should be applied. If you have any issues with it and you feel like you should have received the grant and you didn't, feel free to email admissions@wecancodeit.org and we'll help you out. All right. Once you have that, you're going to go ahead and you'll get a coupon code. You're going to add the course to your cart. And it should be added to your cart. So you'll see it here. And right here, you'll see this apply coupon area. This is where you put your IMAP code that you received via email and or text. Again, if you haven't received this and you believe you should qualify, and go ahead and email us or contact us from our site. You can contact us. You'll see a contact us down here. You can go ahead and click it and contact us or reach out here. All right, good. Once you've applied your code, make sure you click apply coupon. The total will go down to 0, and then you can go ahead and either continue, who knows, you can add more IMAP courses and you can apply the coupon. It should accept them all. And when you're ready, go ahead and proceed to your checkout and resume your checkout as normal. Hope that helps.